Leaders in Morgan County say they're working to vaccinate as many people as possible. Health officials say more than 3,000 doses were administered across North Alabama yesterday. Officials say both Madison and Morgan counties ran out of vaccine but are back on track now. Morgan County leaders say they hope to administer 300 doses every day, along with Decatur Morgan Hospital giving the same number of doses.
If Kelly and her team and the health department and their team can each end up doing 1,500 a week, in 2 weeks we could have the majority of our senior folks taken care of, and we can move on to other groups.
Leaders say the biggest hurdle is availability of vaccine. The county plans to have clinics open 5 days a week this week and next week.